Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the curse of our trading Titanic continues today, unfortunately. Yesterday it really looked good. I was pleased. We had positive numbers both on closed out and new entries, and everything looked fine. And today we went back to this old pattern. And I'll reiterate where the problem, what the new pattern is, and what the problem is. Listen, I've been trading this for over 2 decades, so I have a lot of experience in terms of how this thing is supposed to go. We had 23 positions coming into today. Yesterday on the close we had positive $17,000, and if you can see here, the Dow gained 139 points and set another all-time record high. It's actually closing over 50 points above 36,000. So it's just a fabulous performance on the Dow. In the last 2 decades, and my system is based on the idea that we make our major profits holding overnight. And I'm talking about years and years and years of experience with this, as well as an enormous amount of testing. And I have always said day trading doesn't work. You have to hold overnight to really get profits. And so all my experience in the past would be with a situation like this. We have $17,000 on the close yesterday. Say the Dow opens up 5 to 10 points this morning. We would expect to probably get out with maybe 22,000. If we had the kind of open that we had this morning and day we had today, we would possibly be getting out with something closer to 40,000. Well, the pattern is reversed. It's just like every time we hold overnight, things get worse. We would, in fact, do better day trading and get out on the close. So what happened today, we had $17,000 yesterday, and it opened, I think, around $10,000 or something. And by the time we get out, we have $7,600. So our profits are more than halved as a result of this overnight hold. And then, if that isn't bad enough, then we have the second kick in the pants comes. We get into only five positions. One is positive, 4 are negative, and we're carrying negative $15,000 going into tomorrow. So that is more than double what we got in our exits. In other words, what looked to be like a great setup for a great day yesterday just turned horrible, and it did it on a day that the Dow once again sets an all-time record high. I am just beside myself. I don't know what to do. I don't want to say like I don't know what to do. I know what to do is stick with this, and things got to turn around. They really do, but it is just horrible. We had 2 excellent trades in this whole mess, and if we didn't have these excellent trades, we wouldn't even have positive numbers for our exits. So I'm just going to show you the positive, those good trades. I don't know what else to show you. This is RGC, which is Resonant Incorporated. You can see this very thin stock, but when some volume comes in, it moves, and I wonder, it's so thin that maybe the whack-a-moles just don't bother with this. Maybe that's why we're successful in this. I don't know. Yesterday it popped 45 minutes in the day. We grabbed it right away. It closed favorably, and then it gave us a little more pop this morning, and we took $14,000 out of this, and there was no whack-a-mole activity with this stock at all. This is the way I'm used to seeing things go. Looks good. And then we had another good stock, and this is SI, which is Silvergate Capital Corporation, and that popped right at the beginning of the day. We grabbed it, closed profitably, and it popped a little more this morning, and we took $9,300 out of Silvergate Capital Corporation. These two trades were the sole reason why we had any positive numbers on our exits. Now what's going to happen with these 5 positions tomorrow, I have no idea. But with being down 15,000, I don't think anything good is going to happen tomorrow. It just makes me sick. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob sign off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.